There was an intense lust between them from the moment they met. Your nurturing love has helped me grow into the person I am today. There is a healthy obsession with you in my heart. I can never get enough of you. Their passion for each other is undeniable. Pookie, you are the one I want to spend forever with. Our romance feels like a fairy tale come true. This sentiment of love is something I will carry with me forever. He is my significant other, and together we are unstoppable. I am completely smitten by your beauty and kindness. Snookums, you are my heart and soul. I love to snuggle with you on cold nights, feeling your warmth. I believe you are my soulmate, the one I was meant to be with forever. My sweetheart, you make every day brighter just by being in it. You are my sweetie, and I feel blessed to have you in my life. You give me the tender, loving care that I never knew I needed. The tenderness in your touch makes me feel safe and loved. True love is not about perfection. It is about accepting each other's flaws. I will love you unconditionally, no matter what happens. I promise you my unfailing love, even in difficult times. Your love brings warmth to my heart, even on the coldest days. Their wild love took them to places they never imagined. I am yearning to be in your arms again.